iftar plans, we've got the perfect look for you. In this episode of Amrij Cosmetics Ramzan Radiance series, I'm going to show you how to do an effortlessly glowy iftar look that lasts the entire day. Let's get started. So the first product we're going to use is this Flawless Long Lasting Foundation by Amrij in the shade Warm Ivory. So this is the perfect foundation for you, especially in Ramzan, because your skin feels dehydrated and it gives a healthy glow to your face without being very heavy on the skin. So the best part is it is buildable and it has a wide shade range, so you can get your perfect match as well. Next up, we're using their high definition concealer, and for correction I'm going to use 6 beige, and for highlighting I'm going to use porcelain. So the consistency is very nice, buildable, and does not crease up, especially the corrector. I love it. Can you see how perfectly the darkness under the eye is gone? So I personally love this concealer, especially in Ramzan, because एक तो इसको बार-बार reapply नहीं करना पड़ता. Also, it is very hydrating as well. So it goes perfectly with this foundation because it doesn't crease, cracks नहीं आते, आपकी under eyes dry नहीं होती और dull नहीं होती throughout the day. So next up, I'm going to use their Selfie Ready Face Powder in the shade Porcelain, and I love it because it instantly mattifies the base. And you see how the face looks matte and yet it has its glow. So now I'm going to use their Super Pigmented Blush in the shade number 5 and 7. So I like to focus the blush on the apples of the cheeks because I think that is how one looks the most youthful, and the blush looks amazing on the apples as well. So I like to use their Quick Fix Makeup Fixer in between the makeup process, since I think the highlighter turns out really well if it's on the top of a fixer. Now on to my favorite part, highlighter. So for this step, I'm going to use their Hall of Glow Powder Highlighter Palette, and look at the stunning shade. So this is the perfect highlighter that you need in Ramzan since you already feel dull, and it gives the perfect amount of glow that stays long as well, and you do not have to retouch it again and again. I use their Precision Art Liner since it's the most beginner friendly pen liner and its tip is very sharp, so you can get a nice wing. So next up, we're going to use their Divine Mascara, and the best part is it's water resistant and separates the lashes really well while giving it the perfect amount of length and volume. So next up, we're going to use their Diva Lip Color in the shade Icon, and it is the perfect nudish coralish shade for any skin tone. So the texture is really creamy, but it is long lasting at the same time, and it won't budge the entire day, and you wouldn't have to redo it again and again. And the pigment, you guys can see, such a stunning color. So see how perfectly it has brought the entire look together, and it looks stunning. And lastly, to lock everything in, we're going to use their Quick Fix makeup fixer because it mattifies the face instantly and gives a long-lasting finish so that your makeup stays all day long. Go grab your favorite products from amrij.pk and at any big retailers in Pakistan.